Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. It's been a while since I've made a video in regards to unboxing, so let's get this underway. This is the Series 8 in normal. I know I've done a Series 8 unboxing prior to this, but it was of the gold, and if you want to see that, that's up right hand corner. This is just the normal Series 8. Let's get this unboxing started. Now, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is completely surviving on you guys watching videos. So if you appreciate this video and you appreciate this channel, please do watch more videos. Okay, so that's the Apple Watch here. So this is the 45mm and it's the Series 8 45mm and it's in Starlight. So it's a bit of a yellowy tinted silver, so it's not an actual silver. So, and it comes with the olive sports loop. Okay guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.